All right, it's a gorgeous morning. So everybody else must be in the egg factory. Let's see. Let's see what we can find. Oh, well, good morning, ladies. Hey, Louise. Got 3 eggs in there, little Miss Secret. Secret. Okay. Any eggs yet? Or are you just laying on somebody else's? Let's see. No, maybe I should get you some to hatch. Wouldn't you like to hatch some babies? How are you doing, Louise? Oh, there's an egg. There's 2 eggs. All right, what else we got there? Oh, there's an egg. Thanks, girls. Go have some little snacks, okay? All right, I'll leave you alone.